use a jumbotron towards the bottom of this page. Now, a jumbotron is something that can be placed at the top of the page or the bottom of the page or in the middle of the page. It doesn't matter where. And once I show you what this looks like, you might have an idea of where one can be used. So I'm basically clicking on an empty container here. Just get rid of that property for a second. And what I'm going to do, click on the empty container, and then we switch in insert bootstrap, and we're going to click on jumbotron. Now we want to nest it inside here, and you can see it's now put a nice little thing in here. Now at the very back, you can see it's grey, and you can see we've got hello world. It's got some simple text in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to say, are you ready? If you think you are ready to play our game, click the link below. Don't forget to everything that you have taken in so far. Okay, hit the play. To the game page. Okay. Right, so all I've done there now is I've basically made a little section at the bottom. Are you ready? We've changed the font there a little bit. If you need to center it, then you can click on the three little markers there and you can center it and so forth, depending on what you want to do. Now in a previous video, I altered the text centered slightly and made it so that it was thicker. That's why that's automatically gone out like that. But you don't have to if you want to. To link the play button up, if you click on the button there at the top, there, and then click on HTML, and what we're going to do is link this to the game page. So I'm just typing game.html. Now, if you can't remember what you've named the game page, if you click on your files on the left-hand side, so right-hand side, you can see I've named mine game. So if I click, hold down with the mouse, drag, and point towards that link, you can see it's gone there. Now, I've actually just deleted that button because I pressed backspace. So let's click on it again. Let's click on the drag. And there you are. My button now has been linked. Okay, so that essentially is a jumbotron. You can put as much text in here or as little as you want, but as you can see, it's a grayed out part of your design. Now you can move this around. So let's say, for example, now we think, actually this would be better to be right at the top. If you click on the most outer container that you've got and then just drag it up, if I just leave it go there, you can see now that has moved that right to the top. So it's now at the top of the page instead of the bottom. But obviously, depending on where you put it, you will need then to change the text within. So that's how you would use a jumbotron on or within Dreamweaver.